Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable P-gear shortcut on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings. So we're going to click on our vehicle icon. You can also do that from the apps list, and here you can click on settings. What are we going to do next is we're going to go and open up window and door, and here you scroll down until you see the door lock section. Here you will have your P-gear shortcut, and here, as you guys can see, we can disable it or enable it just by tapping on the switch. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.